Hi, today I am going to explain different ways of measuring distance between two arcs or circles. So I am going to show how to place maximum dimension, minimum dimension and center to center. So I am in the sketcher mode. Select these two circles, place this dimension and go to leaders. So this is the minimum. Same way go to leader, give maximum height. It goes to the dangling because dimensions are defined completely. So this is the center. And same way for the slot. This is the center to center distance. Here, this is maximum value. And this is center to center. Usually we don't give minimum value for slots. So I am coming out of this sketch. So this is now I am going to show same thing in the drawing. Select this circle, go to leaders and select maximum. Select these two circles, go to leader, minimum. Select center to center distance. Select this arc, go to leader. See, minimum we don't give usually, so we have to give maximum. This is center to center. This is how we different ways of measuring distance between arcs and circles. Thank you.